So far, it drives very smoothly. I'm definitely liking the CVT, and I've reviewed a 2020 before, and it drives pretty similar. The CVT it really rides like butter. I just love the driving experience with it. And with it being a Spark, it's not necessarily fast, but as you can see, I'm able to merge onto the interstate without having to floor it. And with a CVT transmission, it really does make a world of a difference, because you're not having to find shift points and rev the transmission out to get on the interstate. And even doing 75, I'm getting 45 miles a gallon on the interstate. And the road noise is actually not as bad as I would expect from a car that you can get brand new for 17, 18 grand. And the ride is really nice. And there's a reason that this is one of the best commuter cars out there. I mean, I'm 6'3", and I'm not, how do I put this? I don't feel like I'm driving a CT6 or a Mercedes or a big body, anything like that. But I do, as you can see, I can move my knees underneath the steering wheel. I'm in a comfortable spot for this being such a small car. And it does have a bit of pickup. And I'm gonna test it just one time, if I can. I'm gonna put the pedal down and see how it does. And I like the braking too. I don't feel like the car is getting ahead of me. You know, the brake pedal feel goes with the weight of this car. All right, here we go. So it can do the job. And as soon as I let off the throttle, you can see it's super quiet in here. And I think we'll get to open it up one more time. I'm definitely not flooring it, but I'm getting it about half, 3/4 throttle. And when you need it to, it can get up. And that's what a lot of people worry about, having a car this small with such a small engine. But it can do the trick. And like I said, it's definitely not fast, but for a commuter car, it does what it needs to do. Then we're coming down this back road here. And road noise is definitely not bad. I mean, you've got 15-inch aluminum wheels. But surprisingly, the ride isn't either. It's a pretty firm, but comfortable ride. And surprisingly, no crazy rattles or anything out of a car like this. And pretty much like the 2020 Spark, just a great commuter car, and it'll get the job done getting to and from work. But that brings it to an end. That's my review of the 2021 Chevy Spark LT.